I'm going to live demonstrate for you.
Ladies, I feel like I'm missing out here. I want a demonstration too. Come on now.
So based on your LinkedIn profile, I know that you're a harmonizer. You're someone who really likes to support people, really want to make sure you listen well. This is all AI driven. It shows you're hospitable, trusting, and warm. I'm going to use language when I speak to you that makes you feel that I trust you, that is warm, that we're connected. Imagine a leader just taking a moment. They've got to go into a meeting with a new employee that they don't know very well. At their fingertips, they've got a communication kit. They need to adapt their style of speaking so that as they're onboarding you in their culture, your first experiences with that leader are one of being able to build trust immediately. Can you see that's an entire program right there?
That is fantastic.
So I can go in here as an employee. I would ask you to go in and fill out your assessment so we can get a deeper dive. And then we can create a communication strategy between you and David. So now it's your turn, David.
I'm a bit nervous now. I didn't realize this was going to be much in depth.
There you are.
Oh boy.
You're probably a DI.
Oh boy.
Nailed it. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to create a new playbook and I'm going to put David and Alexia together. Let's just look at how you would work together. Now, all of a sudden, I've got a playbook. As your manager, I would say, okay, you guys are amazing. These are your compliments. Here's the things. Alexia is really going to work to seek connection. And David, you're really great at being independent. She's going to need a little bit more touch points, and you're going to need to slow down a little bit when you're working with her to make sure she feels heard.
Alexia, do you feel like this is just like the recap of our last 3 months, 4 months?
Oh, yeah.
She is also a little bit more risk averse. So she's going to want to put the brakes on and you're just going to want to go. She's more trusting than you are, however. So you will want to really balance that out. And you're both very optimistic, deliberate. You're a little faster paced and she's a little bit more on point. You're both expressive, incredibly, and you're both fairly collaborative in your approach. So how you're going to work together, you're going to drive Alexia crazy with the bold decisions that you make really quickly. She's going to want to sit down and look at options and say, whoa, hold on, is that the right choice? This is how to resolve conflict. One of the things that won't work for Alexia in resolving conflict is a direct approach, but that's actually your style. That's your nature. So in conversations, you want to use language that's a little bit more encouraging and you make sure you speak less and listen more.
I feel like you could have saved me 6 months of my life. When I was brought into the company, we just literally went through this and we've learned it by experience and we work, like I love our work relationship, but like you could have saved me 6 months of my life and not having to put Alexia through pain.